Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. Now, we are back at Dollar Tree, and their Easter is officially all out. The Peeps are here. Now, everything here is $1.25, and you could tell people are already buying up the Peeps. A lot of variety. You have the watermelon, you got the milk chocolate. Which was this one? Wild berry? I don't know if I've seen wild berry. Sparkling wild berry. Ooh, fancy. And then I do like these bags. If I could grab a hold of one. There's 40 of them in here. I could have used that a few years back. And all of their Easter stuff is here. I like these cups. It's a package of 10. And everything here is $1.25. I know some of the stores have where like the extra, but I haven't seen that in our area yet. And the little chicks. These cups are actually a good size. And then these actually don't really say Easter. You can use that for a birthday party if you want. You have gift bags, you got table runners. Cute little, was that a truck? And the eggs. Ooh, the metallic ones are really pretty. I have a couple of these large eggs I bought years ago. And just like put little treats in them, and I hide those for my daughter. And then we have the ears. There's a huge variety of ears this year. There's a lot. You pick out your favorite color, if you like the sequins, if you like the gingham or the furry ones. Yeah, these sell out pretty fast too. And because they're pretty decent price. All the fun little baskets. And then here is all the little fillers, the little grass. Oh, these are all pretty. This Dollar Tree is where I do get my Easter grass. They got a couple of little Valentine's things left, and the eggs. There are so many eggs here. And if you want, because sometimes I know a lot of us just have the plain ones. I mean, look how fancy these are. I did last year buy a couple fancy ones for my daughter. I'm honestly looking for ones that you can see like sports, and I'm looking for ones that look like strawberries. If I could find ones like that. I don't know if they exist or not, but I'm gonna keep my eye out. These seashells are really cute, especially if you have a little girl. If they're doing like a mermaid party, that would work. Oh, and the signs, look at these bunnies. So cute. A couple of years ago for Easter, right before Easter, we actually had baby bunnies in our backyard. It was so adorable. I just wanted to just pick them all up and just give them little hugs, but no, they were wild. But we had bunnies in our yard for a long time. Oh, these are cute. These are like cupcakes. And I liked it because when I would eat strawberries, I would take the tops off. I used to go out there and I'd give it to them, and they wouldn't like hand them out, but I would put them on the sidewalk and they would go and grab them and eat them. But oh, so many eggs, and look at these little treat bags. Those are cute. Oh, these are little cute little bunnies, like little ears on top. Oh, these are adorable. A lot of signs, a lot of really good ideas here. And Dollar Tree, I always go to the Dollar Tree first if I have little ideas for items. I check them out first because it's pretty budget friendly. These are cute little signs, the little bunny trail farms. And that's what I put back in my backyard. I haven't seen bunnies in like over a year. And I want the bunnies to come back. It was so fun to see them in the backyard. All the little signs. Ooh, I like these. These are pretty. To put those around in your yard. And for $1.25, I'm gonna grab a couple of those. And oh, even more signs back here. little bunny bottoms. And those are cute. And you could put any little saying in there if you want to, if you're creative. Little hop. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, for $1.25, these are actually pretty good. And I've had a few of these sites, as long as it doesn't get rain on, like, you know, wet from the sprinklers or from the weather, these usually last pretty long. This is like the smallest little area right here. I like this little bicycle one. See what they have over here. We saw this earlier. Yeah, they do have a good selection. And I know these do get picked over pretty fast. These are little gift bags, a little set of 2. So, what is this? Oh, it's a pillowcase. And all the little fun carrots, the decor. Now I'm going to check out some of the spring. Some of the pots. And because sometimes I do like to grab a couple of these, and depending on where in the yard I would have put them. Well, I had a couple of these. You have one in French or in English, the flowers and garden. And I did grab some of these large hooks. Yeah, anytime I could find hooks like these, this is a set of 2, I grab them because there's so many different uses for them. And all these little... Oh, this is actually, these are a set of 3. It's actually not bad for $1.25. And there's a good variety here. Now, they're pruning shears. Let me know in the comments below if you've used them here, what you think of the pruning shears here or at Dollar Tree. A lot of different pots. You got your gloves. And we've got the hooks. Oh, even the little flag poles, like the little mini flags that you could put around your yard. You have a little bunny. These are really cute for part projects. And boy, they really have a good variety of these. Ooh, I'm gonna grab a couple of those. I like those for little lanterns around the yard. And then there's ceramic items. Yeah, the bowls. I mean, these are actually nice. Especially if you're needing extra dishes and you don't want to spend too much money. These are fun. Those are good for making your own syrups. And ooh, these bottles are actually really pretty. You got your little mason jars with the straws, little lids. Oh, there's some red ones hiding in the back. And your ceramic plates, the floral. Ooh, they got those mugs piled up. Pretty little wine glasses. And oh, these foil like cupcake wraps. Those can actually get expensive. They have all different colors here. I'm actually gonna grab a few. And all of their Easter crafts are here. And look how pretty this trim is. I love the variety of colors they have. All the eggs, wow. They really do have a good selection. Oh, these. Look at the little mini carrots. A lot of little bunny bottoms. Yeah, this is, I like the little wood. Look at the little wood pieces. For $1.25, this is actually a really nice selection. The rocks, wow, the rocks, there's only like 2 left. Oh, the little bunny paws. Yeah, you could make some nice garlands with these. That is adorable. I love finding stuff like this. Here's more. Oh, the beads. Those are fun, especially if you are making like any kind of like garlands. Those will work. Any projects, really. I like seeing these beads. I'm actually going to have to send this to one of my friends, let her know. Because she's like me, we do a lot of crafting. The little wood boards already cut up if you're planning on making any signs. And here's more like, this is fun for like gift wrapping. A little spring, you got your butterflies, little boxes. And then you have the little buckets. Ooh, the pansies. Pansies is one of my favorites. Pretty little butterflies. Yeah, if you're thinking like doing a like brunch or fun little thing for spring, Easter, or Mother's Day, those plates are actually really nice. Oh, I used to get my daughter these hats, and she wore them for the longest time. Some more, oh, the utensils. It's like one set left. Oh, these bags are actually really pretty. The little handles. See, it's always fun to check out little treasures. Those are like little coasters. And here's some more of the spring. The trucks. The trucks are for every season now. The cute little signs. And the flip-flops. Now these are always good. Like, I'll keep a pair in the car because obviously we're in Southern California, so we do go to the beach. But just having like shoes like these, and that inexpensive. And then here's some more of the garden. Like garden crafts. Ooh, these like little pots. Oh, those are cute. The little mini flower pots. And then we have St. Patrick's Day. So any St. Patrick's Day needs, they got them here. And of course, they're not going to have as much as Easter. Look at the little mustaches. Quite a little selection here. And there's the garden gnomes, or the St. Patrick gnomes. And oh, these are always really pretty. A little twirling the pinwheels. Nice little selection of them. And some of the organization baskets. These are really good for bathrooms, laundry rooms, craft rooms. Let's check this one out. Clip lock container. Oh, this is a nice little selection. I always like having a few of these on hand. That's actually pretty. Different sizes. Oh, these are really nice. Sometimes I like those for like small like hair clips. Really fun. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along with me to Dollar Tree today, kind of popping around looking at some of the fun items here. Thank you again for your time and for watching the channel. I hope your day is going well, so take care, and I will talk to you later.